I have for you an update on the whole BOI situation. If you remember back a couple weeks ago, the BOI filing rule was struck down as part of the Corporate Transparency Act by a Texas judge. And I said I would give you any updates as I hear them. So something has happened here. If you don't know what the BOI filing is, it's a beneficial ownership interest. Anybody that has a business that meets certain criteria is required to file with the federal government, upload your most personal information, including possibly a copy of your passport or a driver's license. And a Texas judge has ruled it illegal, basically, saying that the federal government has no authority, which, in my opinion, they don't. When you file for a business, you file it with your state, Secretary of State's office for your state, and the federal government really has nothing to do with that. So it was ruled, basically ruled illegal by a Texas judge, and he put an injunction against it so that you do not have to comply to file by January 1st. We said that the federal government could appeal that, and the update is that they have. Not only have they appealed it, but they asked for an emergency hearing on it because they want this decided by December 27th, saying that if they get it decided by December 27th, that gives businesses time to comply by the January 1st deadline. So they're still pushing for this. For some reason, they want this thing really bad. Now, if they're not successful, their last resource would be the United States Supreme Court. Now, whether or not the Supreme Court would even hear the case, who knows? And even if they do, the Supreme Court right now tends to lead kind of conservative. So it would, in my opinion, probably be unlikely that they would uphold the BOI filing for FinCEN. Now, I don't want you to take my word for it, so I'm going to take you to the FinCEN website here and show you where to find this out for yourself so you can keep up to date on this and not have to wait for somebody to tell you, because if this does get upheld to where we do have to file, you need to know about it if you haven't filed so that you can get it done by January 1st, because the fines are pretty steep. You're talking maybe $500 a day and potentially, in worst case scenario, jail time. So let me flip this around here and I'll put this up on the screen for you. If you go here to fincen.gov, that's https://fincen.gov. And if you scroll down here to these circles right here, you can see it says BOI. Click on the BOI, and that will bring you here to the BOI page. So if you go down about, scroll down just a little bit, you'll see here it says these are alerts for the BOI. So impact of ongoing litigation, deadline stay, voluntary submission only. So they are telling you, although you are not now required to file, that you can still voluntarily file. All right, that's completely up to you. I'm not doing it. And then it breaks down the report here about this recent federal court order. So it says, in light of recent federal court order, reporting companies are not currently required to file beneficial ownership information with FinCEN and are not subject to liability if they fail to do so while the order remains in force. However, reporting companies may continue to file or may continue to voluntarily submit beneficial ownership information reports. So this is kind of an important one to keep on top of. So remember this website, fincen.gov/BOI. And we're going to have an answer here in a couple of days, potentially. And if the injunction holds, well, then it's on to the Supreme Court. And who knows how long that takes, and even if they'll hear the case. So make sure you keep on top of this. Don't get fined. And if I hear anything more, I will let you know.